question is from GATE 2015 Mechanical Engineering paper set 1, question number 31. A direct current welding power source has a linear voltage current or VI characteristic with open circuit voltage of 80 volt and a short circuit current of 300 ampere. For maximum arc power, the current in amperes should be set as dash. From the VI characteristic curve, from the VI characteristics, we know that voltage is given by open circuit voltage minus the ratio of open circuit voltage with short circuit current into the current I. So substituting the given values here, we have V is equal to, OCV is given to be 80 volt minus again 80 by short circuit current is given to be 300 amperes. So we substitute this, we get a relation for V. Now we can write relation for arc power. So arc power is equal to voltage into current, V into I. Let's substitute this value of V here. We have this as 80 in multiplication with V. So we can write 80I minus 80 by 300 as it is. I into I gives us I square. Now we are being asked to find out the current corresponding to maximum power. To get the maximum power, we can differentiate power with respect to I and then equate it to 0. So by differentiating this power expression, we get 80I. Derivative of 80I is 80, only the constant, minus derivative of I square is 2I. So we can write this as 2 into 80, 160 divided by 300 into I is equal to 0. Let's solve this to find out I value. We have I is equal to, this term goes to the right hand side and then again we take this to the left hand side as the reciprocal. So 80 into 300 by 160. 0 gets cancelled and we have 8 ones are 8 twos are 300 by 2. So here we get current value I to be 150 ampere. Let's write the answer. For maximum arc power, the current should be set as 150 amperes. To learn more about welding power sources, you can refer to the NPTEL video Lecture 7 Welding Power Sources Characteristics 1 from the course Fundamental of Welding Science and Technology by Dr. Pankaj Biswas. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Guwahati. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.